prepared to push past the horizon without giving up agility, comfort, or performance. Whether you're a weekend rider or planning your next big escape, 2026 has delivered an exciting selection of middleweight adventure motorcycles that hit the perfect balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best middleweight adventure bikes of 2026, each carefully chosen for its performance, reliability, and pure excitement factor. From updated fan favorites to all-new innovations, these machines are redefining what exploring the unknown truly means. So buckle up as we discover which bike could become your ultimate travel companion. Number 7. Yamaha T700. Yamaha continues evolving the legendary Tenere platform with the 2026 World Raid Edition, refining an already capable adventure bike into something even more versatile. At its core sits the proven 689cc CP2 parallel twin engine, delivering a wide, usable power band with excellent throttle response both on pavement and off-road. With this latest update, Yamaha focused heavily on long-distance comfort and improved off-road durability. The T700 World Raid now comes equipped with dual 23-liter side-mounted fuel tanks, offering an impressive range of over 300 miles on a single fill-up. Fully adjustable 43mm KYB front forks and a long travel rear shock have been tuned for tougher terrain. A new 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity rounds out the updates for modern adventurers. Built around a lightweight, tubular steel frame, the bike stays agile even when fully loaded with gear and luggage. Yamaha has preserved the bike's rugged simplicity. No ride modes, no intrusive electronics, just pure adventure-focused riding. For riders who rely on skill rather than software, the T700 World Raid is a perfect fit. Priced around $13,000, it delivers exceptional value and remains a top contender in the middleweight ADV class for 2026. Number 6. KTM 890 Adventure R. When it comes to hardcore off-road adventure, very few bikes can rival the KTM 890 Adventure R. For 2026, KTM has refined this powerhouse even further. The bike retains its 889cc parallel twin engine, producing a punchy 105 horsepower and 100 Nm of torque, making it equally capable on high-speed highways and technical trails. What truly distinguishes the 2025 model is its improved off-road handling and enhanced electronics. The fully adjustable WP Explore suspension, designed for serious off-roading, handles rocky terrain with ease. New lightweight bodywork and a slimmer seat profile improve maneuverability and rider comfort. KTM's advanced electronics suite includes cornering ABS, traction control, multiple ride modes, and a rally-style TFT display that's intuitive and customizable on the fly. New for 2026 is an upgraded quick shifter and optional radar-assisted cruise control, catering to riders who want modern comfort without sacrificing rugged performance. A revised windscreen and improved aerodynamics also help reduce fatigue on long highway stretches. With pricing around $15,000, the KTM 890 Adventure R isn't cheap, but it delivers unmatched precision and capability. It's built for riders who see adventure as a demanding, rewarding challenge rather than a casual tour. Number 5. Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. The Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro has long been a benchmark in the middleweight adventure segment, and the 2026 version sharpens its strengths even further. Power comes from an updated 888cc T-plane triple engine that now offers a smoother torque curve and stronger low-end pull, making it equally suited for crawling over rocks or cruising on the motorway. The engine produces 106 horsepower and 90 Nm of torque, delivering an ideal mix of refinement and performance. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable 45mm Showa USD forks and a piggyback rear shock with nearly 10 inches of travel. Paired with a 21-inch front wheel and revised chassis geometry, the Rally Pro tackles gravel, sand, and dirt with confidence. For 2025, Triumph adds a larger 7-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, enhanced traction control modes, and improved ride-by-wire response. The bike also comes loaded with 6 ride modes, cruise control, a quick shifter, heated grips and seat, and cornering ABS, features that make long adventures both safer and more comfortable. What truly sets the Tiger 900 Rally Pro apart is its balance, serious off-road capability combined with road manners that rival sport tours. Starting around $16,500, it's a premium package with genuine go-anywhere versatility. Number 4. Honda Transalp XL 750. Honda's return to the mid-weight adventure category with the Transalp 750 was a major success, and the 2026 version refines the formula even more. The XL 750 combines Honda's legendary reliability with modern styling and performance, making it one of the most approachable and well-rounded bikes on this list. It uses the same 755 ccs parallel twin engine found in the Hornet, tuned here for smoother low-end torque and broader power delivery. Output stands at 91 horsepower and 75 newton-meters of torque. For 2026, Honda introduces an updated electronics package featuring switchable traction control, adjustable engine braking, and 5 riding modes designed for different terrains. A new 5-inch full-color TFT display and an upgraded rear shock with improved damping give the bike better composure on rough surfaces. With a curb weight under 460 pounds and a 21-inch front wheel, the Transalp feels light and easy to handle, making it ideal for riders new to adventure touring. The ergonomics feature a comfortable upright position, slim fuel tank, and plush seat that reduce fatigue on long rides. Priced just under $11,000, the 2025 Transalp offers an excellent entry point into the ADV world without sacrificing performance or capability. Number 3. BMW F900Gs. BMW has significantly updated the F900Gs for 2026, marking a major step forward. The revised 895 ccs parallel twin engine now delivers 105 horsepower and 93 newton-meters of torque, offering stronger performance across the entire Arrive range. BMW also focused heavily on weight reduction, cutting nearly 30 pounds compared to the previous model, which greatly improves agility on and off the road. The 2026 F900Gs come standard with fully adjustable Showa suspension, increased ground clearance, and new tubeless cross-spoke wheels, welcome upgrades for serious adventure riders. Redesigned subframe and fuel tank improve weight distribution and long-distance comfort. On the technology side, the bike includes dynamic traction control, ABS Pro, 3 ride modes with optional upgrades, and a large 6.5-inch TFT display with integrated GPS and smartphone connectivity. Heated grips, cruise control, and an advanced quick shifter are available through BMW's premium package. Priced around $14,500, the F900GS offers strong value for its capabilities, blending rugged adventure performance with refined touring comfort. Number 2. Aprilia Touareg 660. The Aprilia Touareg 660 has been a sleeper favorite since its debut, and the 2026 version continues to build on that success. Light, nimble, and engaging to ride, the Touareg is powered by a 659 ccs parallel twin engine derived from the RS 660 sport bike, retuned for stronger off-road torque. It produces 80 horsepower and 70 newton-meters of torque with a smooth, linear power delivery ideal for trail riding. Weighing just over 450 pounds fully fueled, it's one of the lightest bikes in its class. High-quality, long-travel Kayaba suspension provides nearly 10 inches of travel, while the steel trellis frame keeps handling sharp and responsive. A 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel give it serious dirt credentials. Aprilia includes a comprehensive electronics suite with traction control, engine braking adjustment, cruise control, and 4 ride modes, 2 of which are customizable. The TFT display is bright and user-friendly, and the 2026 update adds improved switchgear along with better wind and debris protection. Priced around $12,500, the Touareg 660 delivers outstanding value for riders who prioritize lightweight performance and real off-road capability. Number 1. Suzuki V-Strom 800D. The Suzuki V-Strom 800D was already a strong contender in the middleweight adventure segment, and the 2026 model introduces small but meaningful refinements. Powered by a 776 ccs parallel twin engine, producing 84.3 horsepower and 78 newton-meters of torque, the bike offers an excellent balance of durability and performance. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it suitable for both newer and experienced riders. The day version features a 21-inch front wheel, longer travel Showa suspension, and off-road tuned ABS that allows rear-wheel deactivation. For 2026, Suzuki improves suspension valving and adds a new ride mode selector with 3 presets for added terrain versatility. The updated dashboard now includes Bluetooth connectivity and enhanced navigation features, Designed for long-distance comfort, the V-Strom 800D offers a spacious seat, adjustable windscreen, and fuel range exceeding 250 miles. Its rugged steel frame and thoughtful ergonomics make it a dependable companion on any surface. With pricing around $11,500, it's one of the most affordable bikes in its class and an excellent choice for riders seeking a capable, user-friendly adventure machine. And there you have it, 7 of the best middleweight adventure motorcycles of 2026. Each one delivers a unique mix of power, comfort, and off-road performance. Whether you're chasing distant horizons or exploring weekend trails, there's a perfect bike waiting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride safe.